If you're over 50, you've probably noticed that your gut health is not exactly what it used to be. And as you get older, your digestive system becomes less efficient at absorbing nutrients. So how do you keep your gut healthy? The answer is good food choices. The right foods can help keep your digestive system running smoothly and efficiently, which means better overall health for you. But which foods are best? Here, we've compiled a list of the 8 best foods for gut health over age 50. This video will be interesting and useful for you, so watch till the end. By the way, if you are new to my channel, then press the subscribe button to not miss my upcoming informative video on how to be healthy after 50 years of age. Here are the 8 foods you should eat to improve your overall gut health. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados are one of the best foods for gut health over age 50, and they're practically a superfood. They're rich in fiber, which helps feed the good bacteria in your gut and keep them healthy. They also provide electrolytes which can help alleviate symptoms like bloating and constipation. And they contain an impressive amount of potassium, which can help with muscle cramps and other common issues that plague older adults. To get the most out of your avocado, try eating it plain or on top of toast. The taste is mild enough that it blends easily into any dish without overpowering it. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic is one of the best foods to eat for gut health over age 50. It's rich in prebiotics, which are the food your gut bugs love. If you're not sure what prebiotics are, they're basically the fiber that probiotic bacteria feeds on. That means eating garlic can help boost your good bacteria and improve your digestion. Garlic also has some pretty amazing anti-inflammatory properties, which are great for gut health because inflammation can lead to leaky gut syndrome, where an undigested particle can escape into your bloodstream and cause an immune response. Garlic helps reduce inflammation by lowering blood pressure and reducing cholesterol levels in your body. You can eat garlic raw if you want, but roasting it first will bring out a sweeter flavor. That's perfect for any dish. Try sprinkling roasted garlic cloves onto salads or adding them to soups and sauces for a great taste boost. Number 3. Raspberries. Raspberries are great for gut health, especially when you're over 50. These little berries have a ton of fiber and antioxidants that help improve digestion and keep your gut healthy. Raspberries are convenient and make an excellent addition to salads, smoothies, or as a snack if you like the taste of raspberries but don't want to eat them whole. Try adding them to your cereal or oatmeal in the morning. Just sprinkle them on top and enjoy. They're also delicious when paired with other fruits like blueberries or sliced apples. Number 4. Onions. Onions are great food to eat for gut health, especially as we age. Onions are rich in flavonoids. These compounds act as antioxidants and help to fight off free radicals that damage our cells. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that help promote healthy gut function. Onions are also rich in chromium, which is essential for normal blood sugar metabolism and helps lower high blood sugar levels after meals. And they're a great source of fiber, which helps keep us full and satisfied between meals. Onions can be eaten raw or cooked. Either way, they make an excellent addition to salads or sandwiches, soups, and stews. Number 5. Whole grains. Grains are the seeds of grass-like plants called cereals. To be classified as a whole grain, it must contain 100% of the kernel, including the bran, germ, and endosperm. Popular fiber-packed whole grains include oats, quinoa, farro, and products made from whole wheat. The fiber found in these grains can help improve digestion in 2 ways. First, fiber helps add bulk to your stool and can reduce constipation. Second, some grain fibers act like prebiotics and help feed healthy bacteria in your gut. Number 6. Fermented foods. Fermented foods are a great way to improve your gut health over 50. Here are the benefits of fermented foods. They can help you absorb nutrients from food you eat. They can reduce the inflammation in the body, which can help relieve symptoms associated with things like arthritis and autoimmune disorders. They're high in probiotics, which help keep your gut healthy by keeping bad bacteria at bay and encouraging good bacteria to grow. Look for sauerkraut kimchi yogurt with live active cultures or kefir at your local grocery store or farmer's market. You can also try making them yourself. Number 7. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a great addition to your diet. If you're looking for foods to eat for gut health over 50, they're high in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. These nutrients help keep the gut healthy, so they're a must-have if you're looking to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Chia seeds can be eaten whole or ground up and mixed into oatmeal or smoothies. You can also sprinkle them on salads or yogurt. They add texture, flavor, and nutrition, and they're easy to incorporate into any meal. Number 8. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are rich in fiber, protein, iron, and magnesium. All nutrients that help keep your digestive system working well. Beans and lentils contain resistant starch, which may help improve your gut health by increasing the number of good bacteria in your intestines. Beans and lentils are also rich in folate, which is essential for bone health. When it comes to eating beans and lentils, you can use them as a base for soups, stews, salads, or even a side dish. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of how to eat for gut health by focusing on these foods and incorporating them into your diet. You can help your body fight off the negative effects of aging and keep yourself feeling great.